Good day, sir. I'm Nika Meiji Tamandong, BS ECE 3D, and here is my MATLAB exercise number 5 underdamped system design. So the objective is to design an underdamped second order system. So the first program is that do the following codes. So as I run the codes, I am baffled with the graph because it doesn't look like a underdamped response. But if we take a look at the calculated zeta, it is 0.8692, which is in between 0 and 1. So that means that it is a underdamped response. And and as I study the codes, I saw that the reason why the graph is like this is because of the parameters of omega n. So the omega n is too small. So 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 we notice here that the zeta is approaching 1, so which means the graph is looking like a critically damped, but in reality, this is considered an underdamped response. But this is not um, the representation of an underdamped system, but it is an underdamped system. So for number 2, we are asked to use the program in number 1 to design a second order system given if the value of k is equals to the difference of seat numbers with your pair. So my pair is number 10 and I am at 33, so the k is our k is equals to 23. So solving this translational, so this is s squared, this is s, and this is 23. So inputting these parameters to the MATLAB, we will get the underdamped system. So the zeta is 0.1043, which is in between 0 to 4, and the omega n is Um, and the setting time is 8, and um, the peak the peak is 0.65, and the OS percent is 71.94%, and the rise time is 5.9. So here is my answer. Thank you for watching. This is